Hi, hello everyone. This is me, Mahesh Maharjan, and today I bring you my latest invention, and this is a camera tripod, or let's say camera rig. Okay, and I used all of these things uh, from the trash that I found in my home, and this is the final looks. I would like to know your comments. How does it looks like? And it's really working properly. This lead light, GoPro, this camera, everything. Let me show you. See, this is how it looks like when we shoot. This will be like these things. Okay. This is the mic I use from the keyboard I bought many years back, and I attached with this mobile phone, smartphone. And this is the simple light. Okay, and I just attached with this GoPro light and the street light all together in one page. And this is the another mic, mono mic. Okay, and this rod is actually I built it from a chair which was useless, and I cut it, fit it, paint it, and make it final looks like this. And the things I am holding is I get when I bought this blender machine, and I uses to hold this rig, and it's really comfortable. I hope you like this video. I hope now onward I will be using this rig to make my YouTube videos. Please follow Sarchmandu Nepal, SEARCHMAU. Sorry, SEA. I'm really sorry once again. SEARCHMANDU in one spelling, and space Nepal, NEPL Nepal, Sarchmandu Nepal. I hope you like this. If you like to build this kind of rig, this is really not expensive. Okay, if you like to order, you can tell me, you can comment me, and ask me to build for you. And it really costs so much cheap. Um, about the price, I would like to tell you personally in comment, or in contact. I will provide you in description. Okay, let I show you from the front. This is how it look like. Okay, you can hold it from your shoulder as well, and you can easily shoot anything wherever you can. And this is everything you can, dispatch, this attach, and you can put it on a bag. And if you want to shoot, it's really easy to assemble. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please follow, please subscribe my channel, Sasmandu Nepal. Thank you so much. The Nepal, and stay safe from coronavirus. Thank you so much.